Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Zafan Masanda. So I would like to deliver my answer about pipa. Okay, so here it is. My PPTs, ma'am. Okay, so we'll deliver the way how I teach in BIPA, Introduction to BIPA. Here I choose one of the topic that is number. So let me introduce myself. My name is Zahwa. So this course is about Introduction to BIPA, and welcome to my class. Oke, dan di sini untuk pembukaannya kita buka dulu. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kita akan belajar tentang learning numbers in Indonesia atau dalam bahasa Indonesia kita bilangnya angka dalam bahasa Indonesia. Ini diperuntukkan untuk level A1. Oke, nah di sini ada beberapa learning objectives. Isi dari PPT tersebut. Yang pertama ada opening, respond to simple greeting question related to the numbers such as age, time, and activate their prior knowledge. Sorry. And the second about numbers, identify and pronounce number from 1 to 100 and then 1000 correctly in Indonesian. And then use numbers is simple sentence to express age and price in dialect communication context. And then the last one we're gonna do role play, sorry. And then question, and also the last one is closing. Nah, kalau di role play ini, we will practice using numbers through a role play activity such as a buyer and seller in a traditional market situation. And for the question, so you can ask about the way how to ask the age and then the price, something like that. And then for the last one, we have closing. Recall and summarize the number and expression learned during the lesson through a short review and reflection activities. Okay, so the table of contents. The first is numbers, 1 until 100,000. The way how to use numbers, role play, and the question. Oke, yang pertama, wah, nih ada banyak, tidak banyak sih, ada 3. How many numbers do you use today? Berapa banyak angka yang kamu gunakan hari ini? Oke, yang pertama ada your age atau kita bisa bilang dalam bahasa Indonesia yakni umur kamu. Yang kedua adalah the time now, waktu sekarang. Dan yang ketiga adalah price of food, harga dari makanan seperti itu. Nah, di sini ada beberapa numbers nih. Dari yang nomor 1 sampai 100.000. Oke, yang pertama itu kita ada yang namanya satu. Satu in English it's one. So here it is about the numbers in Indonesia. One it's satu, two is dua, three is tiga, four is empat, five is lima, six is enam, seven it's tujuh, 8 is 8, 9 is 9, 10 is 10. Oke, ini adalah bilangan satuan kalau dalam bahasa Indonesia. Kemudian, yang kedua adalah belasan, bilangan belasan. 11, it means 11. 12 is 12. 13 is 13, 14 is 14, 15 is 15, 16 is 16, 17 is 17, 18 is 18, 19 is 19, 20 is 20. Nah, yang ketiga ini ada bilangan puluhan dan ratusan bahkan ribuan. So, 30 is 30, 40 is 40, 50 is 50, 60 is 60, 70 is 70, 80 is 80, 90 is 90, 100 is 100. Sorry, I put R here double, but actually it's only one. So 100 and 1,000 is 1,000, 10,000 is 10,000, and 100,000 is 100,000. Oke, nah di sini 20, so 22 is 2 and 0 here is 10 because of there is one zero. It means puluhan. Okay, so 200, 200, sorry, 2,000. 2 is 2, and if you find three zeros, so you can say ribu. So it means 2.000. Ya, oke. 30 is 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90, 100, 100, 1,000, 1,000, 10,000, 10,000. So here there are 10 and then point zeros, three zeros, so it means ribu, so 10,000. And here you find 100, and here there are three zeros, so ribu, so 100,000. Okay, so the next one. When do we use number? Kapan kita menggunakan angka? Yang pertama, I can say that if you wanna talk about age atau umur, kalian bisa bilang, saya berumur 15 tahun. For example, when your age is 20, so saya berumur 20 tahun. Okay, the second one is about price. This sentence is harganya 30.000 rupiah. So, in English, we say that the price is 30,000 rupiah. Dalam bahasa Indonesia, in Indonesia you can say harganya 30.000 rupiah. The last one is time. Okay, so now is 12 a.m. So in Indonesia, oh sorry, 12 p.m. In Indonesia, you can say sekarang, now is sekarang, jam 12 siang. Seperti itu. Okay, the next one. Okay, here we're gonna have role play. Okay, asking about age. There are Angel and Jessica. Okay, Angel. Halo, my name is Angel. Halo, nama saya Angel. Jessica. Halo, Angel. Nama saya Jessica. Oke. Nah, di sini bertanya tentang age. Angel bertanya, berapa umur kamu, Jessica? Jessica menjawab, umur saya 20 tahun. It means my age is 20 years old. And then Jessica bertanya lagi, kalau kamu berapa umur kamu? Jessica bertanya kepada Angel. Angel menjawab, umur saya 20 tahun. Umur saya 20 tahun. Jadi mereka berdua itu sama. Jessica bilang, wow, senang berkenalan dengan kamu. Nah, di sini kita bisa mengaplikasikan umur dalam percakapan sehari-hari. Jadi kalau ada yang menemukan, ada yang bertanya berapa umur kamu, kamu boleh bilang umur saya bla 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 tahun. Oke, next, asking about price atau harga. Jadu sama Jason. Jadu jadi pembeli, the buyer, Jason jadi the seller. Oke, Jadu said, permisi. Jason, ya silahkan. Jadu berkata, berapa harga apel ini? Jason menjawab, harganya 10.000 rupiah. So it means the price is 10,000 rupiah. Jadu menjawab, baik saya beli satu. Jason jawab, baik terima kasih. So Jadu said that, okay, I will buy one. Jason said, okay, thank you. Nah, the next one, asking about time. Jadi kalian juga bisa bertanya tentang waktu. Ada Adit and Zain. Adit, halo Zain. Zain, halo Adit. Adit bertanya, jam berapa sekarang? What time is it? Zen menjawab, sekarang jam 8 pagi. So now it's 8 a.m. Okay, so Adit said, oh, terima kasih. Zen menjawab sama-sama. Adit said, okay, thank you. Zen said, my pleasure or you're welcome. Okay, so for the question time and review, the first question. Okay, I wanna ask, berapa umurmu? Berapa harga tas ini? Kapan kamu pergi ke sekolah? Seperti itu. Itu adalah question. Jadi kalian kalau ingin bertanya seperti itu, oh iya, jadi angka ini tidak hanya digunakan dalam tiga, tetapi kita bisa juga menggunakan dalam matematika. Atau in English we say math. Okay, so for the review, we have learned about age, about the way how to ask the price, and also the time. I hope that you will not forgot about this one. 1, 2, 3, 4 hingga 100.000 until 100,000. Okay, so why? The reason why I choose this lesson. The first is about numbers are basic in people learning. The second one useful for daily communication. Number third, easy to integrate culture. And the fourth is communicate method makes students active. Okay, so this is the last one. Thank you for joining my class today. I hope that you can understand well, and thank you very much for Mega for the opportunity that I can answer this question with my PPT. I do apologize if I have a mistake. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.